We are starting a journey today to discover the diverse range of Indonesian herbal remedies, which are treasured elixirs that have been used for centuries. I'm thrilled to discuss these age-old customs that can improve our contemporary lifestyles. So let's get started. With its varied flora, Indonesia is a veritable goldmine of therapeutic plants. The wisdom of nature is at the heart of these traditional healing methods. Using carefully made herbal elixirs to support well-being is one such practice. We will begin with Jamu. This is the foundation of traditional Indonesian herbal remedies, a tonic used for a variety of ailments. While Jamu recipes differ, pandan leaves, tamarind ginger, and turmeric are frequently used. Jamu's history begins in the prehistoric Javanese kingdom, when it was prized as a royal elixir. You will need pandan leaves, tamarind, fresh turmeric, ginger, and a small amount of honey for sweetness to make jamu. Just put the ingredients in a blender, strain the mixer, and serve it as a refreshing beverage. Let's now explore Bajakah, a lesser known but effective herb used in traditional Indonesian medicine. Bajakah is well known for strengthening the immune system, and it has been utilized by local communities for many years, especially in the Borneo region. Dried Bajakah bark is required to make Bajakah tea. Steep it in water, bring it to a boil, and then drink the immune-stimulating infusion. Never forget that seeing a medical professional is always essential before introducing new herbs into your regimen. Now let's learn about Temulawak, also known as Javanese ginger. This root with a golden hue has long been valued for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. Temulawak is revered in Indonesian culture for its capacity to increase metabolism. Juice the fresh root and combine it with a little honey to make a Temulawak tonic. For a cool, wholesome beverage, serve it cold. Introducing Kunyit Asem, a delightfully tangy drink that is a household favorite in Indonesia. The blend of turmeric and tamarind produces a refreshing drink with a distinct flavor. Combine newly grated turmeric and tamarind extract. Add water, sweeten with palm sugar, savor this refreshing beverage over ice. It's ideal for a tropical getaway. Let's explore the Daun or betel leaves, known for their antiseptic properties, traditionally used for oral hygiene. You can make a mild and aromatic herbal tea by infusing betel leaves in hot water. Aloe Vera, also known as Lidah Buaya in Indonesia, is a multi-purpose plant renowned for its therapeutic qualities. It's frequently used to make a nourishing elixir in Indonesia. Remove the gel from the aloe vera plant and blend it with a little lime juice and a spritz of coconut water. This delicious and hydrating elixir is loaded with nutrients that are beneficial to the skin. Explore Pecah Beling, an obscure herb that may have anti-inflammatory properties. Pecah Beling is a traditional medicine used in Indonesia that is thought to encourage bodily harmony. To make a tea that is both balancing and calming, steep dried Pecah Beling leaves in hot water. Always remember that when trying new herbs, moderation is key. Let's finish our exploration of Indonesian elixirs with a special one, Srikaya Elixir. The tropical fruit Srikaya, which is indigenous to Indonesia, is rich in vitamins and minerals in addition to being delicious. Mix coconut water, lime juice, and rip Srikaya to make a delightful and exotic elixir. This tasty mixture is a fun way to increase your vitamin intake. As we come to the end of our investigation into Indonesian elixirs, keep in mind to appreciate the abundance of natural remedies available in our world and to embrace these customs with awareness. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you found this journey enjoyable in order to receive more cultural wellness experiences. Until then, have a happy journey. Farewell.